Looking for the best video doorbell in 2026? Whether you want better home security, package protection, or simply the convenience of seeing who's at your door from anywhere, choosing the right smart doorbell can make a huge difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best video doorbells you can buy right now. We'll cover their features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and help you decide which one is worth your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 Kit. Spot, we have the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 Kit. This is one of the most complete video doorbell systems available right now. It features dual cameras, 2K Full HD video, package monitoring, AI motion detection, and built-in local storage. The dual camera setup gives complete front door coverage, reducing blind spots. Its delivery guard feature is especially useful for package theft prevention. The rechargeable battery offers good life, and Eufy's app experience is polished and user-friendly. Pros: dual camera system, excellent package protection, strong AI detection, no subscription fees, built-in storage, great app experience. If you want the best overall video doorbell in 2026, this is our top recommendation. Number 2. REOLINK Wired 2K Video Doorbell. Spot is the REOLINK Wired 2K Video Doorbell. Unlike battery-powered models, this wired version offers continuous power, meaning no recharging and more reliable long-term performance. It features 2K resolution, a 4:3 aspect ratio for better vertical viewing, and smart person detection. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and includes local storage options with no subscription. One major benefit of going wired is consistent recording and stronger reliability. Pros: no battery charging, reliable wired connection, sharp 2K video, smart detection, no subscription. If reliability is your priority, this is one of the best wired options available. Number 3. Wireless Smart Video Doorbell Intercom System. We have the Wireless Smart Video Doorbell Intercom System. This one is unique because it comes with a dedicated 7-inch touchscreen monitor, making it ideal for users who prefer an indoor display instead of relying only on a smartphone app. It records in 1080p Full HD and supports motion detection, app control, and two-way communication. The built-in monitor makes it especially useful for families or elderly users who may not want to use apps all the time. Pros: comes with 7-inch touchscreen monitor. Easy for family use. No subscription required. Two-way communication. This is a practical pick if you want a complete intercom system instead of just a smart doorbell. Number 4. REOLINK 2K Battery Video Doorbell. We have the REOLINK 2K Battery Video Doorbell. REOLINK has built a strong reputation in home security, and this battery-powered model delivers impressive performance. It offers a 150° by 150° field of view, giving complete head-to-toe coverage. The 2K resolution provides sharp footage, and it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for flexible connectivity. Smart detection can identify people, vehicles, and packages, reducing false alerts. Two-way talk is clear, and local storage means no subscription fees. Pros: excellent viewing angle, sharp 2K video, smart AI detection, no monthly fees, dual-band Wi-Fi. If you want a balanced mix of smart features and affordability, this is a strong option. Number 5. Youkey Dual Camera Wireless Video Doorbell. We have the Youkey Dual Camera Wireless Video Doorbell. This model stands out because of its dual camera setup, giving you both face-level and package-level visibility. It records in 2K Full HD and offers head-to-toe viewing, which is especially useful for monitoring deliveries. One major advantage here is local storage with no monthly subscription, making it budget-friendly in the long run. It also supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster and more stable connectivity. In real-world use, the motion detection works well and package detection adds extra convenience. Integration with Alexa and Google Assistant makes smart home control easy. Pros: dual camera design, 2K video quality, no monthly fees, package detection, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Overall, this is a great value option for users who want strong features without subscription costs. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best video doorbells in 2026. Each of these doorbells offers something different, whether it's better video quality, package detection, dual camera coverage, or no monthly subscription fees. The best choice really depends on your budget and the features that matter most to you. If you want my top overall recommendation, the Youkey Security E340 stands out for its dual camera setup, smart AI features, and reliable package protection. But if you prefer a wired setup or a more budget-friendly option, the REOLINK models and Youkey are excellent alternatives. You'll find all the product links in the description below, so check them out for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you make a decision, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and top product picks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.